Do you want to elevate your cooking with gourmet herbs? Welcome to the world of gourmet herbs, the secret ingredients that enhance flavors, add vibrant color, and infuse your meals with nutritional benefits. Are you ready to discover the top 5 gourmet herbs for your kitchen delights? Starting our list is basil, a classic in Italian cuisine. Its flavor, a delightful mix of sweet and savory, complements many dishes from pasta to salads. Known for its health benefits, including anti-inflammatory properties, basil is a must-have herb for every gourmet kitchen. Next on our list is rosemary, a fragrant herb often used in Mediterranean dishes. This aromatic delight provides a pine-like flavor that's perfect for meats and bread. Apart from its culinary uses, rosemary boasts health benefits like boosting memory and improving digestion. Rosemary, a versatile herb that adds depth to your dishes. Coming up next is thyme, an herb that pairs well with almost everything. Thyme boasts a subtle, dry aroma and slightly minty flavor. It's frequently used to season meats and stews, and it's also known to support digestive health. Thyme, a staple herb that's sure to elevate your gourmet dishes. Fourth on our list is mint, a refreshing herb that's great for sweet and savory dishes. Mint packs a cool, zesty punch, often found in everything from teas to salads and even desserts. Plus, it aids digestion and boosts mental alertness. Mint, a refreshing addition to your culinary creations. Finally, we have parsley, a herb that's not just for garnishing. With a vibrant taste, it's a staple in Mediterranean cuisine, used in everything from soups to salads. Bursting with vitamins, it's a powerhouse of nutrition. Parsley, a humble herb with a bold flavor. And there you have it, the top 5 gourmet herbs that can transform your cooking. From the sweet, peppery flavor of basil to the refreshing taste of mint, these herbs add layers of complexity to your dishes. The robust flair of rosemary, the subtle earthiness of thyme, and the vibrant touch of parsley can truly elevate your culinary creations. So why not experiment with these herbs in your kitchen? Who knows, you might discover your new favorite flavor. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more cooking tips and tricks.